Today we have a giveaway win unboxing. Welcome to our channel. It's Gma
and Papa.
Papa's already cut it open. We're going to go ahead and pull our winnings out. Yay! This is from Woman Outdoors. We won a beautiful set of paintbrushes. And we have one of her channel stickers. Woman Outdoors. Her sticker says it all, guys. She is a woman outdoors. She does fishing, camping, just all kinds of stuff outdoors. Check out her channel. She's coming up on 1,000, and I think it would be great if we could all help her to get there. All right, Papa, you want to do the honors? Now, you guys might be wondering what I'm going to do with these paintbrushes. We have a group here in town called 719 Rocks. And what you do is you get rocks and you paint them. You can paint any kind of thing on them you want. And when you go out and about, you just leave the rocks for people to find. It's kind of like a Easter egg hunt for everyone. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you some of the rocks that I've painted. All right, Papa's going to put her on the board. Thank you so much, LB. We really appreciate it. You guys stick around and I'll show you the video. I'll show you some pictures of some of the rocks that I have painted. We hope you all have a great day. God bless.
God bless. See you on the flip side.
Bye-bye.